Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Dell USB port is not recognitions device. Recognizing. Okay, so first, very basic method. This USB try to another system. Try a different USB port and your Dell PC. Avoid using this. Avoid using USB hub during testing. Okay. Then next, clearly close this all applications and software. Then click to start and need to restart your system. Then next step, click to start, type device manager, then extract USB control. So this is USB driver, so right click to run and uninstall it first. Okay, this is all uninstall, it's remove universal serial bus controller 3.0 USB 2.0. okay, and after that click to action and then click to hardware changes, scan hardware changes. After that you can see universal bus come back again. Okay, just click to extract new. So select first 2.0, right click to update automatically, and then close it. Then try to 3.0, update dry automatically, and then close it, then close. Next guys, need to download the updated latest driver. So click to any browsers like Chrome browser, open, and then type Dell USB controller driver. Okay, USB controller driver, and go to this official website dell.com. Scroll down. So this is USB driver and click to download. This is 13 MB size and it is completed. Then it will show like this and click to start. Click on this driver. After that it will come like this. Okay, chipset USB hub controller, click to continue. Okay, and then click to yes, and this is successfully installed. Then click to next, I accept, next, and install. Then finish it. Okay, so your driver is installed, and after that restart your system. And one more command for the repair your corrupted Windows file. This is so important. Click to start, type cmd, and then right click to run as administrator. So this is two command which is very important. First try to this one, right click to type, otherwise you can type manually. So it will start the percentage 100%. When it is completed, then try to second one, and after that both is completed, then need to restart your system. Then type this one, oh sorry, and then hit enter. After that it will start both percentage. Okay, and this command I will give you in description, so you can easily type manually. Okay, thank you. And after that 100% restart your system, and then please check. Thank you.